BPF announces list of empanelled candidates for Lok Sabha polls in Assam. Welcome to Easternparadigm. I am Priya Brahma. The Bodoland People's Front, that is BPF, a regional party in Assam, has announced its list of aspiring candidates for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections in 2024. The party, which is currently not aligned with any major alliance, has decided to field candidates for two constituencies, Kokrajhar for ST and Darrang-Udalguri. For the Kokrajhar ST seat, the party has empaneled three candidates, Pramila Rani Brahmo, Khampa Borgayari and Prithviraj Narayan Dev Mech. Pramila Rani Brahmo is former MLA from Kokrajhar East and a former cabinet minister of Assam. Khampa Borgayari is the former deputy chief of the BTC and a senior leader of the party. Prithviraj Narayan Dev Mech is a young and energetic leader of BPF. For the Darrang-Udalguri seat, the party has empaneled five candidates: Emmanuel Musahari, Rihan Demari, Durgadas Boro Sarania, Robinson Musahari, and Dhiren Boro. Emmanuel Musahari is a former MLA who defected to BJP a few years ago and has recently joined BPF again. Rihan Demari is also former cabinet minister and a senior BPF leader. Durgadas Boro is an MLA from Kolaigaon constituency of Udalguri district of BTC, Assam, a former All Assam Students Union leader and acceptable among non-Boro population who constitutes the majority of the population of Darrang-Udalguri LS constituency. Robinson Musahari, IAS, is a former bureaucrat who retired as principal secretary of BTC, Assam, and a leader of the Christian community. Dhiren Boro is a former leader of the National Democratic Front of Bodoland, NDFB, a militant group, and a signatory of Boro Peace Accord signed in 2020. According to sources within the party, Khampa Borgayari is likely to get the ticket for the Kokrajhar seat, while Durgadas Boro is the frontrunner for the Darrang-Udalguri seat. The party has said that it will finalize its candidates after consulting its workers and supporters. The BPF, which was formed in 2005 as a political wing of the erstwhile Bodo Liberation Tigers, that is BLT, has been a dominant force in the Bodoland territorial region, that is BTR, which comprises 5 districts: Kokrajhar, Chirang, Baksa, Tamulpur, and Udalguri. The party ruled the BTC for 3 consecutive terms from 2005 to 2020 before losing to the UPPL BJP GSP alliance in the 2020 BTC election. The party also had an alliance with the BJP-led government in Assam from 2016 to 2021 before switching to the Congress-led United Progressive Alliance, that is UPA, ahead of the 2021 Assam Assembly elections. The party later severed its ties with the UPA and declared itself as an independent entity. The BPF has said that it will contest the Lok Sabha elections on the issues of development, peace and harmony among all communities in the BTR. The Lok Sabha elections in India are expected to take place in April and May 2024, with the official announcement of the dates by the Election Commission of India, ECI, awaited. The elections will elect 543 members of the lower house of the parliament with 272 seats needed for a majority. That's all for today. Keep watching Easternparadigm.
We present to you Shakti Yatra. Shakti Yatra, the ultimate travel experience. Looking for a comfortable and hassle-free travel experience? Look no further than Shakti Yatra. Our new bus service offers a convenient and affordable way to travel between Kokrajhar and Guwahati. With Shakti Yatra, you can enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride in our state-of-the-art buses. Our buses are equipped with modern amenities such as air conditioning, comfortable seating, and ample legroom to ensure that you have a comfortable journey. Our experienced and professional drivers are committed to providing you with a safe and enjoyable travel experience. Booking your ticket is easy and hassle-free. You can book your tickets offline from the ticket counter near Pragati Bhavan and also online through www.redbus.in. So why wait? Book your ticket with Shakti Yatra today and experience the ultimate travel experience.